Surblue Hanging Travel Compression Packing Cube. So this is a great way to hang your items without having to bring a bunch of hangers or just to help even collapse items. So it is a whole cube. I've done it in the pink tone here in the XXL. Material is high quality, water resistant, great stitching on it, and completely foldable. So it collapses right down. You can see there's even clips on there. It's got a very kind of layered design too. So wide range of applications could be used for overnight stays, long distance trips, maybe even in your gym shower or in your hotel room. It's kind of more how I see it, but also like dorms, gyms, or campgrounds. Honestly, just like a great overall travel item. You can zip it up. The bottom area where I put shoes could also potentially just be used for more clothing or purses, wallets, etc., any kind of accessory you want. But really a great item, lots of storage within it. Check it out.